Welcome to another Business Tech Planet video. Today, we'll show you how to extract data using a pattern in Excel. To follow this tutorial, create a table with headers and 4 columns. Here in column A, we have a list of data. There's an ID, name, and age, all occurring in a regular pattern. We want to extract only certain data from column A, using a pattern and starting point, and then return the values in the extract column. The information repeats every 3 rows, so the pattern is 3. And if we only want the ID, we start from row 2. To make this work, we'll need a formula that checks if the current row is divisible by the pattern. If it is, we can extract the value from the cell. You can find the formula in the video description. Copy it, then double-click into cell D2, and press Ctrl or Command and V to paste. Now hit Enter. Because the pattern is set to 1, all the rows are being returned. But if we want to return every 3rd cell, we can change the pattern to 3. Now we've extracted the IDs by starting at row 2, and returning every 3rd cell. If you want to remove the empty cells, just hit the drop-down in the extract column. Then uncheck blanks. If you want to show the empty cells, just repeat the process, and this time check the box next to blanks. To demonstrate the flexibility of this formula, let's extract the names. The names start at row 3, and also repeat every 3rd row. Great, we have the names, but what if we want to make additional changes to clean up the extracted data? We can do that by adding some functionality to the formula. Before index, type trim, open parentheses. Proper, open parentheses. And then close both parentheses at the end of the index function, just before the comma. Now when we hit enter, our names are capitalized correctly. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, why not buy us a coffee? We'd really appreciate it, and you'll be helping us grow the channel. Thanks for watching. Remember to check the description for additional resources. And don't forget to subscribe for more Microsoft videos.